Hello, let's do trigonometrical problem. So we're going to do it the following exercises. So one of the exercises is here. So we're going to have one exercise in each video. So this is statements that determine sec negative 120 without the use of a calculator. We are going to use the trig identity, the trig special angles, and the compound angle to solve this one. So sec is an inverse of cos, so we're going to use cos to expand it to solve it. So as you know, cos cannot be affected by the negative angle. We're going to have 1 over cos. So we're going to use the special angle to be able to identify the cos 120 is the same as cos 60 plus 60, using the special angle to identify the value of the angle. So let's do it. So this is how you're going to do it step by step, as you can see. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.